It's 7 a.m. on a cold Saturday morning in the centre of London, and news has broken that Hamley's toy store has just received a small consignment of Teletubby dolls. There are around 1,500 to sell, and these people are determined to get them.
There's so many people that want them, so many children that want them.
We apologise for interrupting our programming, but we have important news to share to you all. Please pay attention as it is a life-saving information. This is the BBC, from London. This is an emergency broadcast requested by Her Majesty's government. Reports have shown that the global temperature have been rising since last month. NASA is still investigating what is causing this strange phenomenon. Mass panic and confusion has spread across the world, some making theories. We advise all residents to stay calm and stop making misinformation. Heat waves and rising temperatures are recorded all across the globe. New York City, Madrid, Jakarta, Manila, London, and all parts of the world experience this heat. Over 25,000 individuals in London have died by heat strokes. We advise all residents to stay indoors. The global temperature is still continuing to rise as we speak. The casualties of heat strokes increase around the world. NASA has still not found the reason of the strange phenomenon. Ocean levels drop as the temperature around the world spikes up. NASA might confirm if the global temperature rises and continues to do so. All humanity will perish within months, but do not panic. It is not confirmed if this is the case yet. We have sadly confirmed that the global temperature will continue to rise and will continue to do so. All life on Earth can't handle the heat and sunlight's exposure and will perish within months. The cause of the rising temperature is global warming and climate change, making the temperature rise rapidly every hour, every minute and every second. Programming will now be discontinued. Everyone of the BBC appreciates your trust all the times and over the years. We will wish you a peaceful time with your loved ones before you perish. We will sing the national anthem as we sign off for the last time.